Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to hide the taskbar on Windows 11 in a few simple steps. This is especially useful if you prefer a cleaner desktop look. Let's get started. First, right-click on an empty space on your taskbar. This will bring up a menu. From here, select Taskbar Settings. This action will open the Taskbar Settings window in your Windows Settings app. Once you're in the Taskbar Settings, look for the Taskbar Behaviors section. You'll find it towards the bottom of the page. Click on it to expand your taskbar behavior options. In the Taskbar Behaviors section, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is Automatically Hide the Taskbar. To hide your taskbar, simply click the checkbox next to Automatically Hide the Taskbar. If you use your device in tablet mode, you might also want to select Automatically Hide the Taskbar in tablet mode. After you've made your selection, you can close the settings window. Your taskbar will now automatically hide when it's not in use. To see the taskbar again, simply move your cursor to the bottom edge of your screen and it will slide into view. If you want to reverse this change and keep your taskbar visible at all times, just go back to the taskbar settings and uncheck the automatically hide the taskbar option. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to hide your taskbar on Windows 11, giving you a cleaner desktop and more screen space for your activities.